Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, we are going to see two major things. I will not say it minor. It is a major thing. The first one is aliasing of the column, and the second is wildcard search. Okay, so we are going to see these two things. So what I'm going to do, I'm just explaining you in terms of what our actual scenario is. Okay, so I'm just removing this. I'm just doing select star from. Just I'm using retail DBs too, and what I'm trying to say that you can see, it's like customer state is there, okay, or customer city is there, or customer street is there. Suppose I don't want this to be displayed like customer street, okay. I do want with a different name, okay. This is a column name, but I don't want to display like this. I want to display something else, okay. I just want customer instead of customer street. I would recommend it as customer address. Then how I'm going to do, okay. And that's what aliasing concept comes. So suppose I'm doing select, just I'm taking two columns for better understanding. Select customer id comma customer street, customer street from retail db2 dot customers. Okay, this is a frequent concept that is used throughout your system, or throughout your project, or throughout your journey of learning. Okay, so see, I don't want to display like this. I just want to display like instead of customer street, I would like to display it like customer address. Okay, so how can I do that? So it's very simple. Just when your column name ends, just apply as keyword and then your design name, and you don't have to put it in inverted comma or single inverted comma, right? Sorry, quotes. Okay, so you don't need to put, just apply customer address. Okay, and now that's it. So now you can see it's customer address now instead of customer street. What is this? It is just a nickname. Okay, so aliasing is alias. Alias is just a nickname of column. Okay, right? Column that user provide. Okay, your wish, you want to provide like anything. Okay, okay, so just it is a very simple thing, simple concept. I have told you, very simple concept, but very useful concept. It is a very useful concept. Okay, so you will get frequently such, you will be using frequently such cases in your upcoming journey of learning. Okay, one more thing. If you don't, what if you don't apply as? It will still take. Okay, even if you don't have to apply as, it will still take. Okay, but I wouldn't recommend this approach. I would recommend this approach only. Okay, because it makes sense, because it makes sense. Okay, so for clear understanding, just take like this for a better visual. So this is, did you get this what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so aliasing is like this only. Okay, now what we will do, we will proceed to wildcards. Aliasing is just a simple one liner concept, right? So no need to put your head much in that. but you should make a practice of Alias, because in future classes we will use it frequently. Okay, so now getting our another topic, getting back to our another topic, that is wildcard search. So what is this? Okay, so suppose you are fetching something, or you are doing any operation, not only fetching, but if you are doing any operations inside your system. Okay, so how will you, and you are not sure about what to search. Suppose I tell you that search all the person with name XYZ with the three first letter. Okay, so let me visualize you the case scenario. So I just want the name of the customer first name with who starts with MAR. Okay, okay, either it can be Mary, either it can be Maria, either it can be anything else. Okay, so in that case your wildcard search will take your help. Wildcard search will help you. Okay, and suppose if you know that my if your suppose your requirement is uh, only you know that you have 5 characters letter of with name, and you suppose Ramesh is the name. Okay, suppose Ramesh is the name, and the first 3 letter you know, Ram, you know, but you don't know about last, not sure about last 3 characters. Okay, so in that case searching wild characters will help you in searching um, um, uh, inside your table. Okay, okay, so now what will I do? Let me show you once demonstration, so that you will get more clearance about this. See, customer city. Okay, customer city is, suppose you know that your customer city is something like 5 letter city. Okay, suppose you have 5 letter city, like any, no Vista, like Vista. See, this is 5 letter city, and you know that your city starts with VIS. Okay, okay, you know that your city starts with VIS. Okay, but you don't know about the exact name. So how will you search? Okay, so now you will search. Let me write this command, how you'll proceed. Now you will put where. Okay, customer city. Now here the magic comes. Here the use of like operator will come. Okay, so wildcard entry, if you are using wildcard entry, you must know about like operator. Okay, so like operator will search like kind of pattern matching. Okay, so you need to search for the commands for the pattern that is coming. Okay, that is you, means you have to pass a pattern, so that the compiler will search similar patterns, similar words, with matching those patterns. Okay, so suppose, so this is the mandatory keyword. Okay, like, now you know about first 3 letters, VIS. Okay, and you don't know about last 2 letters, but you know that there are 5 letter words. So how will you do? Just put underscore underscore. Okay, this is the first case scenario. There are many case scenario. I am going to tell you each case scenario. So this is the first case scenario. So you know about the 5 letter words. So you pass VIS manually, and you don't know about last 2 letter words. Okay. So just pass underscore underscore. Okay. I repeat, just type, select where clause, select star from where clause, and then in the in the target column, just search for, just apply a like operator, and then under the single inverted comma, single inverted quotes, just type your first, type your matching pattern, and then your desired pattern, means whatever it is, it should come, and then let's run it, and you can see whatever this customer city, what I'm doing wrong. Oh, not selecting everything. Okay, and now you can see Vista, only records with Vista has been there. Okay, got
Sir,
it.
how many letters will be there? That much we should put blank, means underscore.
With and yeah, correct. Suppose you know that this is 5 letter words. Just put five dots, 5 dashes. Okay, 2 to 4 1 5. You know that only 5 letter cities I want to search. Okay, just put it. See, Vista, Tampa, Bronx, Ogden. These are all 5 letters. Irvin, Miami, Tempe, Tracy, Bronx. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Just apply distinct map. Distinct. It will be more clear when I apply only the column name. Okay, so you will get more clearance. So only see, only these are 5 letters city from the customer. It has been arrived. It has been shown here. Everything is a 5 letter. Fargo, Tevis, Poway, Elgin, Indio. Okay, so only 5 letter. So you want, if you are restricted about how many, your count of your words, counts of your yeah word you need to search, then you can apply this. And suppose you know that your city starts with T. Okay, and rest of the word you don't know, and you know that it is a 5 letter word. Okay, now how can you do? Just apply this, and you can see it's Tampa, Tempe, Tracy. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
I think this is an easy, uh, it is not too tough. Okay, wildcard is not too tough. It's a just simple pattern matching. Okay, so now till now you have identified this, but what if you want to search every city starting with T, every city? So in that case, every city is starting with T, apply percentage. This is a very common approach. Okay, percentage sign will do your, is a very, see, since I am also lazy in searching, I don't put my head by counting dash dash dash. Okay, I just also put a percentage sign. Okay, usually, so just put percentage. It will show all the cities starting with T. And see, Taylor, Tampa, Tempe, Troy, Tracy, and Taunton. See, this is 6 letter word, 7 letter words. Okay, okay, this is 7 letter words. So everything, this will not be applied. Everything, um, it will search everything starting, that matches, that starts with T. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So now, if I ask, now let us do mixing of the things. One more example I will show. Mixing, I will now mix these two things. I know this is somewhat strange for you, but let me give you one more example. I just want i just want that that 5 letter words. mm, okay, let's do some research about this. Just T dash, okay, percentage dash dash, and what I put here is what I put here is A, and then percentage, and lastly E. Let's see what it does, what it search. Tallahassee. Okay, so this also works. You can do mix up of things. Okay, so everything you can see. Okay, everything you can print anything you can do also mix up of the things. Okay, it will print like Tallahassee. Why it is printing Tallahassee? Tallahassee. Okay, maybe it may be a city. Okay, so it starts with it starts with ta, and it searches for everything after ta, and it ends with e. Okay, so that is the case. That is the case. If you if you apply this one, what will it do? And same result. Okay, so if you search percentage, and then you can see everything will come. But if I want to restrict this one as well, which ends with ee, okay, which ends with ee, sorry, which ends with e, okay, in that case I can put it like this, or I can put it like this as well. Okay, this will also work. This will also work. Okay, so do like this means, see, there are a number of ways to explore. You need to explore yourself in this kind of things. Okay, you just need to explore yourself. Just be explorative. Okay, in terms of study. Okay, now one last thing I would just want to mention here, that like operator applies on every for column, regardless of a string or integer. Okay, in Oracle I don't think it is so, because I have not seen Oracle to work on like operator to integer, but in MySQL it is. Okay, what I'm saying I will tell you. First let me show you about the data type of retail DB customer. So you can see customer ID is integer. Can you see? Okay, it's a string pattern matching. Okay, it's a string pattern matching, right? As per name suggests, it's a string pattern matching. Wildcard search is string pattern matching, but you can, in MySQL, gives you flexibility to search on int as well. Okay, and that's what my point is. So since customer ID is integer, suppose I want to search all customers with, suppose I want to see the customer ID of everything of 80 to between 80 to 90. Okay, 80 to 90 means I just want 88 the customer ID with 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Okay, so I can use one way. I can use between operator. Okay, between 80 to 90, 80 to 89. it will search everything, or I can put in operator 80, 81, 82, 83 and so on, or I can put like operator, whatever you like. So just let me just I want to show you that how it works. Just here it will search all the patterns of two digit. See, you want to search 80, 81, 82 and so on to 89. Okay, so what I have done, I have passed the first, I know that first letter is my 8. Okay, I know I don't want 90. Okay, between 80 to 89 I want every record. Okay, all right. So in that case what I will do, I will do like this, and I know that it is a 2 letter word. So just apply on this and you can see only 9 records have been arrived. Okay, the last record is 89. All right, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
This is a very important concept, so just be very cautious. And one more example I will share you. One more just in the orders table. Just see in the orders table, suppose you want to search all data. Suppose you want to count the record of 2013. How many? Suppose 2013 July month. Okay, so you can see you have different records for different month. You have you have you want to count, um, you want to count everything for July month. Okay, so how will you do? So the here pattern matching will come. So do count star from retail db.orders, where order date, order date, like, and now you know what to do. 2013 07 07, and now whatever it is, how many dots you can apply, either you can apply dash 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 dash, but for now, for I am so lazy to count, because I don't want to count, I just put percentage. Okay, so now it will count all the records of 2030 July month, and see it's 1000. And now you can give the aliasing over there, and you can pass, suppose I can July count, July order count, July count. Okay, so now you can, if you run, you will see July count as 150 1533 records. So, and if you count the orders table, the total number of records are the total number of records are 68,000 something, 68,883. See, so if you want to generate revenue of July month, how will you generate, right? So in that case, like operator plays much and much important role, but I will teach you date query later on, and you will apply date query only. But for now, just I want to show you that it can be applied on any of the column. If you want to see the data type of detail dba.orders, then you will see it's a date column, and you can see it's a timestamp column. Okay, timestamp column. So like operator works on all column in MySQL. Okay, either it is integer, I have given you an integer example, now I have given you a timestamp example. Okay, and I have already given you a varchar example. So happy to answer your question if you have, otherwise we will close. So just let me close. If you have question, I will tell you separately. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification in future. Thank you very much.